I've never caught one like this. Oh. Check that out. It's a female, not even a keeper. But she was just swimming at the surface with it. That was cool. That was cool. Alright y'all, welcome back to Hooksettv1. Before we get started, why don't you guys show me some love? Hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed. Last week, caught some crabs down here on the Severn, and they were delicious. They were the best crabs I had all summer. So I'm out here again, I want some more. But there's a lot of crabbing activity out here. The spot I was at last week is taken. It's full of traps. So I'm in a new spot. I found some 4.5 foot water. It's a little shallower than I wanted, but there's just crabbing gear everywhere down here. But I got 3 or 4 hours before the weather people were calling for some thunderstorms. So I'm gonna see how many I can get in the amount of time I got. See if I can't pull some strings and catch a couple dozen. Well, like I said, I'm up against the clock, so let's get at it. Yep. Not what we're looking for. There was a really nasty thunderstorm down here yesterday. Water's murked up a good bit. There was a bunch of debris on the beach. I'm not quite sure what that's going to do today, but probably not good. It's alright, we got some more action right here. Look at it. Another female. Not what we're looking for. There we go, that's more like it. That's more like it. That'll be close. That's a keeper. First of the day. Jesus. short. There he is. Not a giant, but he might make it. He makes it just barely. Just barely makes it. Another female. Another female. Probably the same one a couple times. Getting ready to put them in the boat and move them out of my set. I don't even know if that's legal. Could you put one on your boat just to move it? Doubt it. Guess that counts as possession. A lot of fish hitting top water around here. I'm gonna have to come down here and fish this one day. I don't know if it was the storms last night or what, or the sun. Maybe it was the last 3 days have been 100 degrees. Maybe that's it, but what a difference a week makes. Last week I was out here in overcast and rain, and I was getting tons of action. 15 keepers in about 3 hours, 3.5 hours. I had 15 keepers, threw back about 15 females, 15 smalls. But today it's just not much action. I mean, I'm sitting around a lot. Last week I was hardly sitting around, always had something going on. But I've been here about an hour. I got 2 keepers, maybe 5 females, probably 6 or 7 smalls, but not a lot of action and nothing big. I haven't seen a big crab yet. Maybe it's my depth also. I'm about a foot shallower than I was last week, but I was catching them in 4 foot last week. I don't know what's going on, but that's how it is sometimes. Just don't know. Well, I'll tell you what, I already got my mind made up. I want to crack some crabs tonight, so if I don't catch a dozen, I'm buying a dozen at least. That's how it goes. When I go crabbing, I'm eating crabs, whether I catch them or not. Always feels like a good one. Oh, I missed him. That was the best one of the day. And he jumped off. Man. That was the best one so far. That's alright, he'll be back. Dang. Maybe that tide's starting to move. I think that's what I need. I was getting some action right when I put my baits down, and then it just died off. I think the tide stopped. I think the water stopped moving. I think it's starting to move back in now. Maybe that'll turn it up. Get some action. Don't gotta measure that guy. About time. got rid of that squeak. I think something was in my prop. I think something might still be in my prop. I didn't feel it, but when I went in reverse. Oh! There we go, I ran over one of my floats. Yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it right there. Every time. I wonder how long that's been there. Jesus. Alright, we're clear. Oh, you got. Oh, let me hurry, let me hurry. You gotta see this. There's a crab swimming at the surface with one of my necks. Look at him over there, just fluttering. Hope I don't freak him out. I'm gonna come from this side so he doesn't see my shade. I've never caught one like this. Oh, oh, oh. Check that out. It's a female, not even a keeper. But she was just swimming at the surface with it. That was cool. That was cool. That was sick. Yeah, I had to pull my prop up because I ran over one of my floats. And while I was all knotted up, I saw this crab just swimming at the top with one of my baits. That was sick. That was sick. That was sick. All right, that's a good one. Good one right there. All right, quality's picking up a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. That guy's good. Yeah, these assholes, they got these traps out here. I'm not calling them assholes because they got traps going for 1,500 yards down the river. Not that. But I think they're mad because I set up inside of them. They just blasted right by me, maybe 20 yards at most away from me, going full tilt trying to wake me. Fucking assholes. Either one of those fat fucks wants to meet me on land, they can meet me on land. They'll be out of breath in 20 fucking seconds. And then it's ground and pound, motherfuckers. I'll beat the fucking diabetes out of your fat fucking ass. That's a cool one right there. Oh, it's a doubler. Check that out, y'all. He was holding on to a female. Good one right there. Hear those cannons, y'all? That's Annapolis. Alright, I think I'm up to 7. We can still get this done. That's a big boy right there. Alright, that's what I was looking for. That's what I've been looking for all day, right there. Big, heavy guy. He's missing a claw though, so I'm putting him back. Psych! Psych! That's a big dude right there. Oh, wish he had that other claw. That's a big fella though. Alright, we're up to 8. Things are picking up real good. Alright, where is that float? I don't want to run it over. That's right in front of me. Yeah. I didn't even notice that one way over there under the fucking dock. This crane's been here all morning. Every time I come over here, I scare him away. There he goes. I'm sorry, bud. I'm just trying to get my float, bud. You could have grabbed it for me, dick. Had to chase you a long way, fella. There he is. There's that big fella I've been looking for all day. All right. Ooh, he almost got me. Alright, y'all, that's it. I'm headed back to the launch. I got an even dozen today. A few big ones. Crabbing wasn't as good as it was last week in the rain. I've been here for about 3 hours. It's really hot. The weather is calling for severe thunderstorms this afternoon, like literally from noon on. I don't see anything in the air right now, but those storms yesterday were really bad, and if something like that's going down, I don't want to have no business with it. So I'm getting off the water. I got a dozen. I'm gonna stop on my way home and visit a local crabber I know and maybe get a dozen or two more. Then we're gonna go home and have a good old time. Well, anyway, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you hit that little bell for notifications. And until next time, thanks for watching Hookset TV.